Hello everyone, I am Rama Bharati, Assistant Professor EC Department from SNS College of Engineering. So here the guys are there to explain about their project. So I am very happy and glad to tell that our institution is the first institution to implement the DT curriculum. So DT means it's a design thinking. It has 5 phases. So just we are going to explain about that 5 phases. So you know what are the 5 phases, Shweta? Okay, can you tell?
Empathy, define, ideate, protect, respect.
Okay, so these are the 5 phases. So empathy means first we have to identify the needs of the customer. That is very important. So that portion will be covered in that empathy. And then next stage is define. So define is the problem statement of that customer needs. Then third, that is ideate. So ideate, we have to give a technical solution for that problem statement. And fourth one, that is prototype. So we are going to design a module, identify the solution for that problem. It is covered in that fourth phase. Then fifth phase, that is testing. That is the product given to the society and the customer for their needs. So these are the 5 phases that is covered in DT. So boys did a project based on that DT. Title is air-based soil moisture sensor. So now I hand over the session to you guys.
Hi, myself Sarita, and I am going to tell about the abstract of our project. One major problems for the farmers they face regarding soil moisture is the unpredictability of moisture level due to climatic changes. It's leading to the challenges in the effective irrigation management. So, problem statement will be followed by the answer.
Hi, I am Ram Prasad. I am going to say about problem statement. The farmers are facing a problem of climatic change. If there is more heat and summer, the crops will dry. If there is heavy rain, the crops will rot. Ideate will be explained by Siva.
Hi, I am Shiva. I am here to say about the ideate of our problem. The project, we have came up with an idea for the project. We came up with an idea for this project. The moisture levels detected by the sensor, and sensor send the information to the microcontroller. It passes if water is needed to the field, it passes. If there is more rainfall in the field, it absorbs the water and stored for the future use. The prototype is followed by this one.
Myself Shweta, first and easily I am going to explain the prototype of this project. So first the props of this soil moisture sensor will be fixed at the soil. Then the soil sensor will be connected to the microcontroller, which passes the information to the motor, and the motor sends water to the tank. The microcontroller is already will be programmed. We use Arduino microcontroller for our project. So then when the levels are checked and to the microcontroller, it will pass information to the motor. If the soil is dry, the program will be sent according to it, and the water will pass the water to the soil. If there is more water, it sends another instruction to the motor, and it will suck the water from the soil. So this is a prototype of our project.
What type of sensor you have used in that project?
We have used a neutron probes, which accurately measures the accuracy rate of soil moisture.
What is the name of the sensor?
Neutron probes.
Okay. What are the components we used in that project?
We have used power supply, water pump, Arduino, relay module, connecting wires, PCB, and a microcontroller.
Okay. What type of motors we used in that?
We used a DC motor and AC motor. DC motor is directly connected to the microcontroller, and whereas the AC is connected to the relay module, and the relay module is connected to the
How much area it covers? The sensor will cover the
In and around
nearly 1 acre, 2 acre for that